Hello friends, I am Nikunj Mistry. I recently passed out my CIMA Strategic Case Study examination in this May 2021. I would like to share my experience of CIMA examination with you through this video. To begin with, the first thing about the CIMA Strategic Case Study exam is that it is a case study exam, which is a more practical or more, you can say, descriptive one. As you all of have passed out the E3, P3 and F3 as an individual subjects, you all gain the knowledge about the particular subject. Now this is more towards the application of those knowledge. So you have to be more practical towards while you are preparing for the exam or writing in the question answer of the exam. So that is the one thing. Now second thing which was there is a typing, which is actually you can say a critical thing for me. Reason behind is that I was more comfortable with pen and paper type of examination. Here I have to prepare, or I prepare myself well with the typing. I sync my thoughts with the keyboard of the typewriter, you can say, or the computer. A typing speed is equally important while you are giving an exam. The reason behind is that it has been given to you 1 hour for each question. So in that 1 hour time, you have to write a certain quantity of answer as well. So you need to practice it through a proper typing method or whatever way you find it comfortable. But practice will be helpful to you definitely during the examination. Now the third point which I would like to share with you is the reading of the past question and answer. Actually this is also very important. The reason of it is that, and actually I go through I go through many past question paper and answers. Just read them. The reason, it will give you an idea or thought what sort of answer expected by the CIMA, and all the CIMA past papers question and answer are available on the CIMA website, so you can refer from that also. So this will help you in terms of gathering the thought that what are the different points which are covered in a particular question while you are reading through an answer, mock answer, or suggested answer which were given by the CIMA in the of that particular questions. So read those answers, read it to understand that what are the point covered and how you can develop a good comprehensive answer. So that will definitely help. And the fourth important thing is the mock exam practice. Here's I would like to make a special thanks to our Sharaf Academy and Prakash Saraf sir, who helped us in terms of not only teaching the subject in well depth, but they have actually prepared us well for the by taking a time to time mock examination. So each subject having an examination as well as the 3 hours full length examination also. So preparing for the mock, you can say, a must, because it is actually a practical examination. So my suggestion, don't miss out the mock. Please follow the instruction which have been given by the sir as well, and follow the or practice the mock test examination. That will definitely help. And the fifth suggestion, and which is a bit different but definitely help to you student, is that if possible for you, please give the examination through Pearson Center. I'll give you the reason behind it, why I'm saying, because you have a choice. You can give the examination at your home also, you can give the examination through a Pearson Center also. But choice or making a choice of Pearson Center will help you in terms that if you are having any technical problem during the examination, there are the people available who will help you to solve the problem. If you are giving examination at your home, and if by for God forbid if any problem will happen, actually your exam gets stopped, and then you have to start again the exam with the new time or whatever the new schedule they are giving. So when you take this exam at the center, as I told you, the technical people are there to help you. So the preparation which you have done throughout the time on exam for a particular day, that will be very helpful to you. So my suggestion on the fifth point is that please give the examination with the Pearson Center wherever it is possible for you. And all the best for the CIMA strategic case study. And finally, I am sharing my score also. I scored 93 marks out of 150 marks of strategic case study, and I would like to surely give a big thanks to the Prakash Sharaf sir and Sharaf Academy for continuous their support, their guidance, and their knowledge sharing and mock test which they have provided very well with us. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot and all the best to all of you.